Hello, uh, good morning. This we have to demonstrate our project, and our project title was IoT based food supply and identification of sick broiler in poultry farm. We are using this project one of microcontroller such as Raspberry Pi 4 Pi model B. It has 2 GB RAM capacity and 32 GB storage. Then we have moved to our project demo. This is our Raspberry Pi. Because Raspberry Pi is more advanced microcontroller, nowadays the industrial also use the Raspberry Pi, and there is a 3 cooler because the Raspberry Pi heat compensation coolers. Then it is an wire because additional wire. It is an additional wire used for sensor interface. It also like the same GPU pins, same as Raspberry Pi. Then we have to solder many of sensors. So first DHT11. It is an temperature sensor and humidity. It has connected with GPIO21 data pin in the DHT11 and plus and 5 volt and negative to the ground. Then the data can be monitored by Blink app. See, this is an temperature and humidity monitoring. Anywhere in the world we can monitor the data using Blink app, and we have certain threshold value. When above the threshold value, it give an alert message for certain mail. See, temperature humidity is abnormal, then the signal was going to relay. We using 4-channel relay, and the inlet 1, it is an fan. DC fan pin was connected with GPO13. Then the relay gives signal to turn on the fan. See, the fan will be start rotating. For cooling ventilation, then another sensors, water level sensor. It also has 3 pin, signal pin plus minus. Signal pin was connected with ADC converter A0 pin, and the MCP 3008 as connected with Raspberry Pi. The MCP 3008 has 16-bit processor. It is used for analog to digital converter because the water level sensor gives an analog signal, but the Raspberry Pi accepts an digital signal. So we using an analog to digital converter. Then the data also can monitor in Blink app. See the water level. See, this is our water level. See, data can be monitored. Then when see this is an low water, so we have the program above, below the threshold value it give one message mail, it is an raindrop. So the relay can receive and turn on the water pump. It is an DC motor submersible water pump. It is connect, see, to use and water, pump the water to the DC motor also connected with relay inlet 2. The inlet 2 connected with Raspberry Pi 19. See, the water will be start flow. Then we have move to LDR is used for automatic turn on the light when high dark. So we also LDR interface capacitor 10 mega. So the LDR terminal is connected with GPIO 4. So the LDR data can also monitor in Blink app. See, when above the threshold value, it gives an mail alert and also give an blink notification. So relay gets signal. See, light will be turned on because we are closing the LDR for darkness, covering the LDR sensor. Then only the LED can turn on. This is our blink app. So all the sensor data can be monitored by using this blink app. See, so this is our complete working sensors, complete project. See, motor we turn on because there is a low water. See, relay can control the motor. So this is our blink app. See, there is a temperature, humidity, watt level, LDR, and also to give a notification when the relay can be triggered to turn on the DC motor or fan or LED. The mail notification. See, when the sensor value above the threshold value it gives an mail. This is an alert mails given from the DHT sensor. Then it can continuously give the message. See, this is an LDR sensor, high dark. And last, we also interfacing YOLO V3 image processing. So this is an web camera used for identification of sick broiler chicken. We have trained the images healthy chickens and sick chicken. The web camera has connected with Raspberry Pi port 0. See, this is our final output. See, this is an healthy chicken. We're using an YOLO V3.